What is up guys, Rickard from Moto here. Today we're going to be doing a quick little product review on one of our kiddies bikes for you. The little kiddies bike in question is the Kayo KMB 60. The Kayo KMB 60 comes with a 60cc 4-stroke carb fed motor. It's got a fully automatic gearbox, front and rear cable disc brakes, and this is the ideal little bike to teach your kids how to ride. With a seat height of only 55 centimeters, you can ideally put your kid on it from about 4 to 5 years old. The KMB 60 has an electric start, so all you got to do is add fuel, switch on the key, and let it come to life. So if you guys are interested in this epic little bike, come down to Moto. We are based in ADV Leisure's building, and come check it out at an awesome price of 11,750 Rand. It's hard to not put your kid on this bike. And the kicker, the best thing, the Kayo KMB 60 comes with a 6-month limited warranty. If you purchase a kiddie's bike from Moto, we will include 1 free riding lesson. Let's get the kids onto wheels, get them trained with the proper technique, and get them on a solid base to progress into the sport.